Hey, what's up guys? Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Ako nga pala yung Kuya Carl. So, ang date po ngayon is January 29, 2025. So, ngayon po is Declaration Day ng Group B ng Yieldmax ETFs. So, kabilang na po dyan ngayon yung aking pagmamayari na ETF, which is NVDY. Tapos YMAX din. So tingnan po natin yung kung magkano yung distribution schedule ngayon ng Group B ng Yieldmax ETF. Yan. So right now, merong bagong ETF na naman ang Yieldmax na lumabas. So ang pangalan is GPTY, Yieldmax AI and Tech Portfolio Option Income ETF. So bagong labas pa lang po siya, pero kaya yung wala pa siyang distribution per share. Pero magbabayad siya weekly. Yan. So abangan na lang natin, pero ang price nito siguro mga nasa $50 per share. Kaya medyo mahal pa rin. Tapos susunod, LFGY, Yieldmax Crypto Industry and Tech Portfolio Income ETF. So weekly rin siya. So nagbabayad siya ng 0.6294 cents per share. And then YMAX, so 0.1469 cents per share weekly. Tapos YMAG, Magnificent 7, 0.1898 weekly rin. Tapos dito na tayo sa monthly. Ito ang meron tayong ETF nito, NVDY, Yieldmax Nvidia Option Income Strategy ETF. So 0.8294 cents per share. So medyo mababa yung bigay ngayon ng Nvidia dahil bumagsak yung kanyang share price . So i-discuss natin yan kung bakit bumagsak yung lahat ng mga AI stocks sa yung mga technology stocks. Tapos DIPS, Yieldmax Short Nvidia Option Income Strategy. Ito yung inverse ng Nvidia, 0.5026 cents per share. Tapos FBY, Yieldmax Meta Option Income Strategy ETF. So Meta, 0.6390 cents per share. GDXY, Yieldmax Gold Miners Income Strategy ETF, 0.5937 cents per share. BABO, Yieldmax BABA Option Income Strategy ETF, 0.4693. Tapos JPMO, Yieldmax JPM Income Strategy, 0.6929. MERNI, Yieldmax Moderna Income Strategy, 0.2730 cents per share. PLTY, Yieldmax Palantir Option Income Strategy ETF, so 2.9826. Tapos Maro, Yieldmax Mara Option Income Strategy ETF, 2.1002. So yan po guys ang payout ngayon sa Group B ng Yieldmax ETF. So tomorrow is ex-dividend date. So babagsak po uli yung price ng ng mga shares. Tapos sa Friday ang payout ng mga dividends. So today is the last day para makabili kayo ng shares para ma-qualified kayo sa mga dividends sa Friday. So guys, pag-uusapan pala natin bakit bumagsak yung shares ngayon sa stock market, lahat ng mga stocks, mga ETFs. Maganda muna tingnan muna natin yung aking account, kung ano na nangyayari. So i-update lang muna natin. Okay, so right now ang aking account is 36,637.13. So ano pa rin, ganun pa rin siya. So medyo bumaba yung kanyang value kasi nga 70% ng aking portfolio is Misty, which is crypto related stock siya. Tapos related din siya sa technology saka AI. So tingnan natin yung mga yung aking shares. Yan, Kony, ganun pa rin, Crash, Fiat, Merni. Yung Misty ko, bumili ako ng 32 shares. Kasi kailangan samantalayin natin yung pagka mabagsak ang stock market, kailangan bumili ka pa ng marami. So ganun ang ginawa ko. Bumili ako ng mas marami pang shares. Yan, I purchased 32 shares at $27.01 USD. So total cost ko is $864.32 USD. So yun guys, ang ginawa ko, umutang muna ako sa credit card. Pambayad, pambili ng shares. So syempre later on, pagka nag-payout na tong Misty, ipamabayad ko itong dividend sa credit card. So ganun ang plano guys. Papaikuti lang natin yung pera kasi lumaki yung shares. So ngayon focus ko lang ngayon sa Misty. Pero tingnan natin tong NVDY. So right now NVDY $20.20. So ito talaga magandang opportunity talaga na mag-stock up ngayon ng NVDY. Kasi usually nung dati nasa $25 may gitor, 28. So ngayon nasa $20 siya ngayon kasi bumagsak yung kanyang yung underlying ng NVDY, which is Nvidia. So ito nga guys, pag-usapan natin kung bakit bumagsak yung mga tech stocks saka yung mga karamihan ng mga stocks sa stock market. So dahil ito sa isang Chinese AI company na sumisikat ngayon, pangalan niya is DeepSeek. Yan. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company, parang katulad siya ng ChatGPT saka ng Google Gemini. So AI siya. So kaiba ng DeepSeek, kumbaga mas mura yung kanyang yung kanyang mga resources. Kumbaga na-spend lang nila paggawa ng DeepSeek is only like $6 million kumpara sa sa mga ibang AI na chatbots na katulad ng ChatGPT, which is it took them billions of dollars to make, saka yung Google Gemini. So basahin natin yung dito, yung article dito. Yan, DeepSeek's 1 trillion stock market crash. Nvidia, TSMC, and Broadcom recovers some losses after AI shock. US listed shares of tech giants are gaining some lost ground this morning after a China-based startup shocked the AI world with a powerful LLM. Yesterday, shockwaves rippled across American tech industry after news spread over the weekend about a powerful new large language model LLM from China called DeepSeek. News of DeepSeek's capabilities, not to mention the fact that it is open source and free for anyone to use and modify, sent US markets reeling, including the tech-heavy Nasdaq, which saw 1 trillion evaporate from its market cap as AI adjacent stocks such as Nvidia and Broadcom were hit hard. US listed shares of TSMC, which trade on the New York Stock Exchange, also took a dive. But today, some of those stocks are recovering, at least to a degree. Here's what you need to know about DeepSeek and its latest market impact. DeepSeek R1 is AI's Sputnik moment. Investors and engineer Mark Anderson posted on X yesterday that DeepSeek R1 is AI's Sputnik moment. DeepSeek R1 is the Chinese firm's latest reasoning mode. AI Sputnik model refers to the time when the Soviets leapfrogged the US in the space race, which the launch of the world's first satellite, a milestone that caught America off guard. Anderson and many other tech experts seems to believe that DeepSeek is similar milestone, and for several reasons. First, not only did DeepSeek's AI models outperform reigning US champions like OpenAI's ChatGPT and Meta's Llama, but it was made at a fraction of the cost that the US tech giants spent developing their homegrown LLMs. DeepSeek reportedly cost less than $6 million to train, while US tech giants have spent hundreds of millions of billions to develop theirs. Second, DeepSeek was reportedly trained on mid-range AI hardware, NVIDIA's H800 chips. It was previously thought that a model with such industry-defining capabilities couldn't be trained on anything but the latest high-end chipsets. Third, DeepSeek's LLM is more energy efficient, making it more environmentally friendly, not to mention cheaper to run. So these three factors made it appear that America's tech giants vastly overspent on training their LLMs, which now appears to be inferior to DeepSeek. This also suggests that America's major tech giants operating in AI space, including OpenAI, Meta, and Google, are not as impenetrable to competitions as once thought. When the financial barrier to entry into creating an LLM that would compete with America's best models was thought to be relatively high, a company would need hundreds of billions in capital to enter the race. It gave America's tech giants a competition buffer. Not many other tech companies, and certainly not upstarts, would have the financial resources to compete. But now they can compete for just a few $1 million. America's AI tech giants might have a lot more competition on market ahead, threatening their AI dominance. So yun guys ang nangyari. So kinakalaban ng Chinese tech companies ang US companies. So kaya mas efficient yung AI ng China kaysa sa US, saka mas cheaper to make pa. Kaya bumagsak ang tech stocks sa stock market. So yun ang nangyari guys. Tapos syempre si Trump, narinig niya yung news niyan. So, tingnan natin kung anong reaction ni Trump. Yan o. Yan o, tama US tech stock partly recover after Trump says DeepSeek AI chatbot is a wake-up call. So sinasabi dito ni Trump na kailangan na pagbutihin pa ng mga tech companies ng US ang pag-improve sa kanilang mga program sa mga AI para mas maging efficient saka mas cheaper. Kasi itong DeepSeek actually meron din akong DeepSeek sa aking sa aking app. Yan. Meron akong Google Gemini saka DeepSeek. Tinry ko tong DeepSeek. Okay yung kanyang mga yung kuwari gusto mo mag-research or okay yung kanyang kumbaga marami siyang maraming masasuggest yung AI, maraming may tutulong sa iyo. Kumpara do sa ChatGPT na kailangan mo pa magbayad. So yun lang guys ang balita dito. Kaya bumagsak ang stock market dahil sa DeepSeek. So yun nga ang sabi ni Trump, kailangan wag masyadong kampante yung mga yung mga Google, mga Nvidia, yung mga US tech giants na yan kasi pagka medyo lalamya sila baka matalo sila ng China. So ganun guys na nangyari. Kumbaga nasa tech war ngayon ng US sa China. At nagpapagalingan sila kung sinong mas better. So yun lang guys, siguro ang ma-share ko ngayong araw na to sa aking video, and I hope na I'll see you again on my next video. So yun lang guys ang aking So sa next video siguro is we'll see kung anong may di-discuss nating topic. Mag-ano naman ulit tayo ng aking portfolio review kung anong nangyari sa weekend, at saka kung magkano yung kinita kong dividend sa Group B. And then I'll see you guys again on my next video, and take care guys, have a good day, and God bless, bye.